Resetting the consumer offset is to change the consumption position of a consumer, which may cause repeated consumption. Exercise caution. The consumer offset cannot be reset on the fly. You must first stop consumption of the desired consumer group. This video demonstrates how to reset the consumer offset. On the DMS for Kafka console, click the name of a Kafka instance to go to the instance details page. Choose Consumer Groups. Check whether the desired consumer group is in the empty state. If no, the consumer offset cannot be reset. You can hover over each consumer group status to check their descriptions. Click the consumer group name. On the Consumer Offset tab page, reset the consumer offset. Click Reset Offset to reset the consumption progress of all partitions of all topics of the consumer group. In this video, the consumption progress of all partitions in topic 1 and 2 can be reset at the same time. Reset Offset only resets consumption progress to a specified time. Click Reset Consumer Offset to reset the consumption progress of all partitions in this topic. In this video, the consumption progress of 3 partitions in topic 1 can be reset at the same time. In this way, the consumption progress can be reset to a specified time or offset. Click Reset Consumer Offset to reset only the consumption progress of this partition. In this way, the consumption progress can be reset to a specified time or offset. Resetting consumption progress by time supports the earliest, latest, and a custom time. Resetting consumption progress by offset requires a specific value. Consumption starts from the offset after the reset is complete. If the specified value is smaller than the current offset, certain messages will be consumed again. For example, if the current offset is 20 and the consumption progress is reset to 15, 5 messages will be consumed again. Look, the offset is reset from 20 to 15.